Hey, what's up guys? Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna building Google's homepage design using React and Chakra UI. Let's start.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
So first we are gonna copy the homepage. Oh, sorry, the Google image in our assets folder. Let's do it. As you can see, it's very long name. Let's short it to Google or maybe G. That's good. Okay. Quickly check up how the Google page looks like. Okay, let's start. So it have actually three flex box, I think. Yeah, the first one and the middle and the bottom. Let's create a component folder, and the first one is gonna be header. Oh, okay, header. Sorry.